Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will share a very emotional story. It is simple, but it has a deep meaning. This story will touch your heart. It is about love. It is about sacrifice. It is about a mother's care. So listen carefully till the end. Arif was a little boy. He lived in a small village. He had no father. His father died when Arif was very young. He lived with his mother. She worked very hard. His mother cleaned houses. She washed clothes. She sold vegetables in the market. Life was not easy, but she always smiled at Arif. She never let him feel poor. Sometimes she went hungry, but gave Arif her share of food. She always told him, "Your dreams are my dreams." Every evening, Arif waited near the window. When his mother came home, he ran to hug her. He said, "Mama, one day I will study hard. I will get a good job. I will buy you a big house. You will never have to work again." His mother smiled with tears. She said, "That is all I want, my son." But Arif had a small dream too. Every year, his school held a big program. Children sang, danced, and acted in plays. Parents came and watched their children perform. Arif always wanted his mother to come. But every year, she was busy with work. If she missed a day, there would not be enough food. He often sat alone, watching other parents clap for their children. He wished just once to see his mother clapping for him too. One year, Arif's teacher said, "Arif, this time you will play the lead role. Invite your mother, she will be happy." Arif's eyes were full of hope. He ran home and said, "Mama, please come this time. Please watch me on stage." His mother looked at him. Her heart wanted to say yes, but her mind knew the truth. After a long pause, she said softly, "I will try, my son." That night, she stayed awake, thinking of how to manage both work and the program. The day of the program came. The hall was full of parents. Children performed one by one. Arif stood behind the curtain. He looked at the crowd. He searched for his mother, but the chair he saved for her was empty. His hands shook, and his eyes filled with tears. His heart sank. He wanted to cry. Then he remembered her words, "Do your best. I am always with you." He walked on stage. He acted with courage. He did very well. Everyone clapped. His teacher hugged him and said, "Well done. Your mother would be proud." Arif smiled, but his heart was heavy. When the program ended, children left with their parents. Arif walked home alone. His feet were tired. His eyes were full of tears. When he reached home, he saw his mother waiting. She was holding a small packet of food. She hugged him and said, "I am sorry, my son. I could not come. I worked extra hours. I wanted to buy your favorite sweets." Her voice was shaking, but her love was strong. Arif looked at her face. It was tired. Her hands were rough. Her eyes were wet. He understood. She did not miss the program because she did not care. She missed it because she cared too much. He realized that her love was greater than any empty chair. He hugged her and whispered, "Mama, it's okay. You are always with me, even if the chair was empty. One day, I will make you sit in the front row. That chair will never be empty again." His mother cried softly. She kissed his forehead.
Years later, Arif kept his promise. He studied hard. He got a good job. He became successful. He never forgot the struggles of his mother. One day, he invited his mother to a grand event. She sat proudly in the front row. This time, the chair was not empty. The hall echoed with applause, and Arif's eyes filled with joy. My friends, this was the story of the empty chair. It reminds us that love is not always shown by being present. Sometimes love is shown through sacrifice and hard work. If you liked this story, please give it a like. Share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more emotional stories. Thank you for listening. See you again in the next video.